Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making ground lamb curry. Let's get started. First things first, let's put on some oil on your hot pan. Next, I'm adding in some onions. They are diced and chopped, and you want to let this cook till it's translucent. Now I'm adding in the minced garlic, and I'll be adding in the grated ginger. And I swear, the best dishes actually always starts up with onions, garlic, and ginger, right? Let's add in our spices. I have 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and I'm adding in a little bit of water just so that it doesn't burn. And also the lamb, it will release a lot of fats, so that's why I'm not adding too much oil. Now let's add in half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and a half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Now let's mix all this in together. And if you feel it's a bit dry, please add in some more water, because again, with this dish you don't want to add too much oil, and water actually helps it a lot more to just soak everything in and blend it all together. And here comes the ground lamb. When you're putting it into this pan here, make sure that you are squishing it as you are mixing all that spices together. I find that ground lamb is very rare in big brand grocery stores. So this is actually from a local store here in Alberta, and as most of you know, I like to support local as much as I can, and I was super happy and super lucky to find this ground meat. And it made this super delicious dish, let me tell you. So you want to let this cook for a bit, and I add in 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce in here, and I find that the tomato sauce just gives it a little bit more of a color and also makes it a little bit thicker when it comes to the sauce, and it's really delicious that way. So I actually use the pasta sauce because in the pasta sauce there's already so much flavor in there, and if you want to use the unflavored ones as well, please do so. And you want to mix it all up together and also let that tomato sauce cook in there. And also I'm covering it up so that, again, all that flavor is still in there, all the sauce is still in that pan, because we want to use that sauce later on for our veggies. And now what I'm using for the veggies is just 1 cup of small diced potatoes and some carrots. I think it was about half of a carrot. I just diced everything up smaller just so that everything is cooked well and nicely, and it doesn't take too long for the potatoes to soften up. Also, if you need to add in some more water, I did add more in mine just for that potato to soften up. And then while you're cooking it, do make sure that you are covering the pan when you are trying to cook those veggies. And don't forget your salt, and I also added in some green peas just to make it a little bit healthier and give it some color. And this is it. This is my dish on ground lamb curry, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.